Hi, I'm Tyson Bannigan, and I work with highly sensitive people, empathic coaches, and heart-centered entrepreneurs. And I help them get out of their way, take back their personal power, and stand in their truth so that they can create a life that they love. And this is really important work for me being an empath. I know that to take back your personal power and stand in your truth and deliver your awesome gifts to the world can be quite difficult because as an empath, certainly for me, trying to fit into the status quo and be accepted was just didn't make a lot of sense. I just knew I was different. And so it took me a long time to realize that I wasn't here to fit in. I was here to help change the world. And I'm assuming that you're similar, right? That you're not here to just fit in, that you know that there's something bigger, particularly at this turn of the ages, that you're here to do a really important job, you with other people that are like-minded. So I'd like to invite you to an upcoming workshop on Saturday. It's called Infinite Wellness. It's on the 31st of August at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I think it's like 6 o'clock in the morning in Sydney, and hopefully you'll get up and maybe join us. And if you don't worry, it'll be recorded. And so you'll be able to attend after the fact. So the purpose of this is to introduce you to a brand new program, which is a mastermind for highly sensitive people like yourself. Because when we work together, we help get out of our own way, take back our personal power, and be able to help change the world. So if you've been in my deep clearing protocol, you know that the focus there was teaching you how to get out of your own way. And the focus in this program is similar, but we're starting with what it is that you want to manifest. Say it's the life that you'd love to live, or like you'd like more prosperity. And so we focus on what it is that you truly want to manifest, and then we clear what's in the way so that there's a dynamic tension between where you are and where you want to be. And then, like a rubber band, that dynamic tension of where you want to be pulls you from the present into the future so you can manifest that into reality. So the saying is you need to be it in order to see it. So I'm going to help you learn how to do that, at least to have a beginning experience of that. And of course, there'll be an invitation for come to attend a 14-week mastermind, which will help you then take these techniques and apply them into your life so that more and more you're coming from that focus of who you want to be, not who you think you are, or coming from the trauma or unreleased conflict that you may have that's in the way of you manifesting the reality that you want. Because the truth of it is that we're not broken, right? There's nothing to fix. So when we do focus on what it is that we do want, we're actually bypassing that part of us that is repetitive. Oh, I have to take another course. I have to fix myself. There's something wrong. There's something broken. And when we focus on what it is that we do want to manifest, the energy goes into creating the right vibrational frequency to attract that which matches us, which is the prosperity and abundance that you want in your life. So come and join me, and not to worry if you can't do it live, it will be recorded, and there will be an invitation in the links below to come and join the mastermind, and you can join it at any time. So hope to see you on Saturday, and if not, I'd love to see you in the program. All right, that's it for now. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.